My name's Elohim, I'm a bartender, and I love to imbibe. This is the channel where I make one-of-a-kind cocktails you haven't had before, and I take simple classics and insert my own special twist for those of you who don't have a full bar at home because, unlike me, you're a well-adjusted human being. That's enough talking. Let's get mixing.
What's up, everybody? I wanted to continue with tequila-based cocktails. This is the brunch of brunch cocktails. I call this one the Coyote. It is a warm, bright, smooth tequila-based cocktail with a little mezcal for that nice hint of smokiness. Let's get started. We are doing the Coyote this week. And I'm gonna build this for you like you would at a bar. And you start with your sweeteners and fruit first, so that in case you mess up, you don't waste your, booze along the way. So we're gonna do 7.5 lime. We're gonna do 0.5 FALERNUM syrup. This is BG Reynolds. This is non-alcoholic, so there is no alcohol in this. This is just the syrup, not FALERNUM liqueur. Gonna do 2.5 Germain. Gonna do 0.5 Aperol. We're gonna do 0.75 red vermouth. This is CARPANO ANTICA. Then we're gonna do a split base. We're gonna do an ounce of BLANCO tequila. And then an ounce of MEZCAL. Beautiful. We're gonna grab our ice. Give it a good shake. Grab our cocktail glass and a fine strain for a double strain. Oh, that looks gorgeous. All right, let's try this. It's a hard cocktail to describe, which is my favorite kind of cocktail. Starts one way, has a middle, and then it finishes a different way. It's a 3-point system, is what I call it. Yeah. It's very hard to describe, but I will tell you, this is the cocktail you want to have at brunch. There's like grapefruit, orange peel, there's floral notes, there's a hint of smoke. God damn, that's good. That is El Coyote. And by El Coyote, I mean El Coyote. And by that, I mean the Coyote. It's very good. It's great for brunch. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. I will see everyone next week.